Hey bakers, big and small! Today we're making the most delightful melt-in-your-mouth sugar cookies. They're perfect for any occasion and so much fun to decorate. Let's get baking. You'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, grab 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, cream together your softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. This is where the magic begins. Then, beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by that lovely vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, wrap your dough in plastic and chill it in the fridge for at least an hour. This makes it much easier to roll out. Once chilled, roll your dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8-10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let your cookies cool completely before the best part, decorating. Use royal icing, sprinkles, or whatever makes you happy. These cookies are not just delicious, they're a canvas for your creativity. Happy baking, everyone!